correct people out now. They will not come again for this our entertainment news. So I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do well to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Make you they get confirm update as they drop. Not be just to get confirm update. So make sure say you they share our video so that other people too go know what they happen for this our entertainment industry. My people, now that one I say I want to tell on today, but everyone get sweet story can give on this morning. I want to talk about Chichi and Phyna, where they don't get clash since reunion. When they do reunion show, Chichi and Phyna get clash. Phyna calls her, say she get silicone yash, say she don't born, she abandon her pikin. Phyna shall talk many things to Chichi. So when they come hear this video, Phyna come and talk say she not just come out come they talk or they cause Chichi. Say now because say Chichi na first start to cause her, but they not agree show that part. Say they cut that clip. Come on, you can't be like say she not the bad person because people can't they talk say Phyna not try say why go they cause the girl like that, but they not know say Chichi na the first start to the cause this girl. After that one don't pass, the next day Phyna come Snapchat come see the verse, she come the rant say people just dey talk around. She come dey talk say she talk wetin she talk again, say Chichi get silicone yash, say Chichi born, Chichi do this one, Chichi poison person for cycros. Just dey talk many things. Now Chichi don't come and talk say why she go talk that kind thing. The lawyer now don serve Phyna pepper, talk say she go pay 100 million for defamation of character, or she go apologize to Chichi. If not, make she ready to go court. My people, this one big pass me because I don't know where this matter one the head they go, but to me I don't see any big deal for inside this matter because now two fighting. If you dey bant, I dey bant. We fit curse each other. Now wetin go pain you, now go use take curse you. Because now bant with the bant now. So you still use wetin go still pay me, take curse me. Because I don't see any big deal for there. My people. Well, now my own I talk, but I don't know my own opinion. What I think concerning this matter. Maybe now go feel say no, she not supposed to talk out. Those kinds of supposed to keep quiet and people still there like that. But me just to talk my own. You not feel cause me now bad cause me I not go cause you the one way badder. Where bad death if that was even the additional where bad death pass that one. I don't go no now. I go sit for the bus. Some go there they not go talk if you like us then they go keep quiet. But people differ. Everybody not feel be the same for this life. So now that one now they happen. Our fans don't come out. They say yes. Say Phyna right. Say Phyna must go to court. This and that and that. Phyna fans so that they come and say la. Say for Phyna buckle up. Say they're ready to follow Phyna to court. And people waiting to take us in this matter. Make she just kukuma apologize. Not be I'm sorry. Matter go die. I be make she ready to say she want really face court matter. Well, to me, I don't see matter for here because if we say what we look at, fans go make you do what you not supposed to do. But my own be say for this kind of matter, so where their fan not talk put, make them let them do what they want to do. Where they not can go put for a joy fire with already they burn. Where they just come up body for the matter. Where two of them know how they want to settle themselves. Where they know your poor mat, make the settle one. Now that one I see. For me, I don't see any reason to come they go court. Anyway, my people, that this one we bring for entertainment news. So I bet make una like, share, and comment. I really want to know our opinion concerning this matter. Make una do well to comment. Until we meet again for another entertainment news. Make una stay safe. Una do.